Hi students, now coming to the next topic, algorithm for searching techniques. This is very important topic, so you study well for your exam. This algorithm for searching techniques is divided into two types. What are they? Linear search and binary search. In this video, we will discuss about linear search. In the next video, we will see about binary search. Okay, let us see about linear search. What do you mean by linear search? Linear search is also known as sequential search. It is also known as sequential search. Okay. This linear search is used for finding the particular value in a list. Okay. So what is linear search? Linear search is also known as sequential search, used for finding the particular value in a list. So if you want to search a particular value in the list in a sequential way, you can use this linear search technique. Okay. So this method checks the search element with each element in the list one by one until the desired key element is found. So let us see one example, okay. Then you clearly understand about linear search. Here one example is given. This is a list of elements, okay. 10, 12, 20, 25, 30. These elements are stored in an array. So collection of homogeneous elements are called array, okay. So the collection of numbers stored in an array. This is the index position of each value. Okay. For this element, index position is 0. For this element, index position is 1. In array, the index positions are always starts from 0. Okay. So the first element is stored in the index position 0. Next element is stored in index position 1. Third element stored in index position 2. In this array, if you want to search the number 25. Okay. This is the key element. Your search element. Okay. If you want to search the number 25 in the array, the linear search will go step by step in a sequential order starting from the first element in the given array. Okay. Which means here we have to start our search from the starting element. So check each element one by one. Okay. So this is 25. See here, what is the values here? 10. Oh, so this is not same. So next, go to next element. Okay. Check this element. 25, 12. Not same. Okay. So go for next. Next 20, 25. Not same. Okay. Go for next. This is 25. This is also 25. So here we found the search value. Okay. So it returns the index position of that element in the output. Okay. What is the index position of 25? 3. So it returns the index position what? 3. Okay. Suppose this 25 is not there in the list, which means key element is not there in the list. The search will be continued till the end. So if you found the key element, you have to stop your search. Otherwise, you continue your search. Okay. See the next example. Here the input values, which means collection of elements are given. 5, 34, 65, 12, 77, 35. Okay. Now we are going to search key element 77. Okay. 77. Our target value, our key element value is what? 77. So now you have to search the key element 77, each element in the list one by one. Okay. So check the 77 with the 5. Not same. Okay. Next 34. Not same. Next 65. Not same. Next 12. Not same. Next 77. So this is also 77. So it is same. So you found that element 77 in the list. Okay. So now what you will do? You have to return the index position of the 77 in the output screen. Right here, array index positions are always starts from 0. Okay. First element is 0. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. What is the index position of 77? 4. Okay. So output is what? 4. Output is 4. This is one example. Next, another one example is given. Input values are given. which means collection of elements 101, 392, 154, 32, 22, 90, 93. Here you have to search your target value 200. So you have to search the search element with each element in the list one by one. 200, 101 not same, 392 not same, 1 not same, 54 not same, 32 not same, 22 not same, 90 not same, 93 not same. So none of the elements are matched with the search element, okay, key element. So what is the output of this code? Output is element not found, okay, not found. So there is no elements matched with the target value. So the element not found in the list. This is the output. So here you have two cases, okay. Here you have two cases. First case is what? Element is present. Element is present. Second case is what? Element is not present. Okay, there are two cases in linear search. First case is element is present. Next case is element is not present. If element is present, you have to print the index position of that element in the output. If the element is not present, the program should print element not found in the output. Okay, so now let us see the pseudocode for linear search. Okay, traverse the array using for loop. What do you mean by for loop? Here same set of statements repeated again and again. So same set of actions we are using again and again until the search element is found, okay. Which means we are searching the key element in a list again and again until the desired element is found. So for this purpose we are using for loop, okay. In every iteration compare the target search value with the current value of the list, okay. Our target value is what? 25. We compare that key value with the current value of the list, okay. Now this is our current value. We are comparing the 25 and 10. This is not match. So we are going the next iteration. So this is first iteration. This is second iteration. This is third iteration. This is fourth iteration. In fourth iteration, we found the key element in the list. So in every iteration, we are comparing the search element with each element in the list, okay. There are two cases. If the values match, display the current index and value of the array. If the values match, display the current index. Current index what? 3. This index position will display on the output screen. And its value is what? 25. Okay. Next, second case is what? If the values do not match. If the value do not match, move on the next array element. Okay. If the values do not match, we go to the next element in the list. So we will continue our search until the end. Okay. Third point. If there is no match element is found in the list. If there is no match element in the list. See here 200 is not available in the list. There is no match element in the list. Okay, so display the search element is not found. It displays in the output search element is not found. Okay, this is about linear search. This is very important question, so study well. Okay,